Minecraft, but I decide what can I not touch. So I'm gonna decide what can I not touch. Okay, there's three options. So I want to not touch water, brown, blue, brown. I think there's a brown thing in my inventory, but that doesn't even count. So. Edgar. Okay, my only goal is today's video is just to freaking survive the night. Are you freaking serious? You're making me freaking run. This was a bad idea. Man, oh gosh. Creeper? Blow up me! Thanks! Oh, running around. I just saw someone in here. That is not it. Okay. I got the L, which is spells lost. Alright. What was that sound? This is not even a scary myth sound. Run. The aliens broke. He even saw that the alien freaking. Oh, guys, rewind. This is not the time. What the? Why are there so many guys or angry people? Wait, it just get them angry. Wait, what? He's off the road. Okay, run. Okay, the challenge has been over. There's no more. What is going on? What the? Huh? Where did I come from? What do you? Hey. What was that? Oh, fun. We need to survive the night. That's our only goal is to survive the night. Oh god. I don't have that much food. Oh gosh. Oh, that did me get healed so fast. I don't have. Wait, why are they two enders?